Open the AliExpress Affiliate Program dashboard and log in. Navigate to the Tools section where you'll find the Site Stripe tool. Ensure the Site Stripe toggle is turned on. No need to install the tool. Browse the AliExpress regular website. The tool does not create affiliate links for category pages. However, once a product page is loaded, the Site Stripe tool will automatically appear at the top of your browser window. It will typically appear as a toolbar with options for creating affiliate links. Click on the Get Link button in the Site Stripe. You will be given options to customize the link, such as choosing between a text link or an image banner. The tracking ID is not important for you. It only helps to differentiate the revenue tracking from two of my websites. Simply copy the affiliate link and promote it. In next video you will learn to use the AliExpress link generator tool. Please like the video and subscribe to Dozro channel.